Hello everyone. Welcome to My Space and Zoho People, the personalized workspace designed to simplify your everyday work life. What is MySpace? MySpace brings together your attendance, tasks, requests, approvals, files, HR processes, and more right at your fingertips. At the top left, you'll see your profile with your name, designation, and live attendance timer. You can check in or check out directly from here, making attendance tracking seamless. Zoho People also displays a personalized reading and a motivational message to start your day on a positive note. Then, any HR related internal cases assigned to you, such as help desk issues, requests, or escalations, appear here with details, categories, and timestamps. Below that, you'll find a feed of your most recent activity. This includes new travel requests, expense submissions, attendance regularizations, and any record you've created across modules. Activities show all updates relevant to you, from HR alerts to workflow notifications, assigned tasks, and system generated reminders. Next up, we have Feeds. Feeds is your internal social wall. Here you can view company announcements, updates from colleagues, team posts, and recognition moments. Next, we have Profile. Under Profile, you can access your personal and professional information, including contact details, position history, skills, documents, and more. Next, we have Approvals. Approvals brings all your pending items to one place: leave requests, attendance regularizations, travel approvals, timesheets, job applications, or custom workflows assigned to you. Next, we have Leave. The Leave module lets you check your leave balance, apply for leave, track holidays, and view your team availability. Next up, we have Attendance. Attendance gives a clear, detailed view of your daily logs, check-in, check-out history, and allows you to regularize missed punches. Next, the time logs, you can track the hours you've spent on projects or tasks. This especially is useful for teams working on billable or time-bound assignments. Next up, we have timesheets. Timesheets let you submit weekly or monthly work summaries, which can then be routed through approval workflows. Next up, we have jobs. In the Jobs tab, you can view internal job openings, track applications, or apply for roles within the organization. Next, we have Files. The Files module stores all documents related to you: offer letters, policy PDFs, HR templates, or any shared files from your company. Next up, we have the HR process. HR process contains structured workflows such as onboarding, offboarding, form submissions, compliance steps, and employee lifecycle activities. Next, under HR Help Desk, you can raise and track tickets related to payroll, ID, HR policies, travel, or any general queries. Other options include career history, which is a timeline of your past positions, promotions, or any role changes. Next up, we have goals. Your performance objectives and progress throughout the year can be tracked from here. Next up, we have feedback. Peer reviews, manager remarks, or received feedback can be tracked from the feedback module. Next up, we have related data, which comprises of additional modules linked to your role, such as assets, projects, travel forms, or custom HR modules. Next, let's talk about the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick visual snapshot of your HR metrics, including attendance trends, leave utilization, pending approvals, timesheet status, and task summaries. This helps you stay organized without navigating through multiple pages. Next, we have the calendar. The calendar tab shows all your upcoming events, including holidays, approved leaves, shift schedules, birthdays, training sessions, and assigned tasks. It acts as your personal planner within Zoho People. Next, let's talk about delegation. The delegation tab allows you to assign temporary control of your HR tasks to another employee. This is useful when you're on leave or want someone to handle approvals, tasks, or workload responsibilities on your behalf. Lastly, MySpace and Zoho People brings everything you need into one clean, intuitive dashboard, helping you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.